Yo, what's up, everybody? This is Gerald back making another video. And man, do I think the end of this week will be a very explosive week. Opportunity to make a lot of money. Uh, this is what the charts are telling me. So I'm gonna go through my top 12, and I have one or two honorary mentions. But first thing is go to where the money's at. If you see Tesla's been in dead trade for a while. Yes, Tesla will have his day, but there's no money there. So go to where the money's at. And the money's not in Tesla right now. So I took some losses on it, made a little bit, took some losses, but more than made up for it with the call with Snow and with ENPH, and also with Mar and Coin. But that being said, let me tell you my top 12s and quickly walk through it. These are the 12 plays I'm already in, but plan to add to as they continue to go up as the market go. First one up, we got App. They had earnings. You see this a very clear break of $49 resistance broke on earnings. The next resistance is right here at 59. I'm pretty sure we see that tomorrow. And once we break that, guys, like this thing has room to really to 77, and then you're talking 96. Like these small caps are all going. And again, follow the money. This is where the money's at. So keep your eyes on APP. Next here we got Upwork. Upwork again had earnings, and I'm looking for a breakout right here of this $16. We had a huge move today, pre-market up, or huge move during market hours, up 5% on earnings after hours. But we're looking for this break, and we're looking for a major move on Upwork. This is a year and a half of consolidation. This move can really get legs going. First, you need to break this though. We want to break and close above it. We get a weekly close above it, then we should really see fireworks. Something to keep on your radar. Unity. Unity looks phenomenal. We have this breakout here on this downward trend line. In Unity, we have this little bit of resistance here at $36. We got the GP at 38. I think we see $39 by Friday. Right here, a little bit of resistance. And then from there, we really have some high targets on Unity. 47 is what I'm thinking by the end of the quarter. It has earnings in a week or two right here. So Unity, keep your eyes on that break. I think a quick move to 35. That's over a 10% move. So keep your eyes on that. Snow paid on that gap up. I think I talked about Snow on the weekend. And what was the day it gapped up? This is Friday. So it gapped up on Friday. Monday, it had a nice little move. Came back. Perfect test of the daily ADMA. If you look at Snow on the weekly, it's just a beautiful chart. We're definitely getting to this GP zone, 54, 50, or 244, 254. And that's on the log. You take the log off. We got room all the way to 290 to 300. That's my target for Snow. It won't be a straight shot, but it also has earnings, I believe, next week. So Snow, keep your eyes on it. Once it breaks to 47, we're definitely going to touch that GP in my humble opinion. Next up, we got ENPH. This, I think, is just getting started. Like, you see this clean chart, 140, clear that. We got nothing until 180, 190. I think this is a big beneficial of the rate cuts. And this is, when was this? July. This is almost a year breakout. And then, we're nowhere near the highs. So this break of 140 is definitely a go sign. And I see it's getting to 188. So keep it on watch. Tomorrow we want to see continuation. Palantir, again, this is a perfect example. Go to where the money's going. If all the money is at SMCI, see that, like, this is what type of moves they're showing us they're doing. Like Palantir, I think is the next on that list. This break, again, well over 2 years of consolidation. Our next resistance is right here at 28. I very much so see 28 That's also retracement, or the Fibonacci retracement should take us there. So to the point, the 1.68, $28, that's right at resistance. Next up, Netflix. Look at this perfect triangle break, or sorry, upper trend line break. We got the upper trend line break on volume, uptick in volume, cleared the highs off of earnings. Our targets are up in the 600s. We're at 581. And this brings us to our resistance right here. Perfect. So 622 is my target on Netflix. We should see that by the end of the month. But that's a clean break on volume continuation for Netflix. Mar has been paying whoever's in it. This is, so you have to think of it as a Fibonacci retracement. So you got your bottom, which is here. You have your top, and then you have your bottom, which I already drew that out, but here it is. Our first target is 39.19, and we can see that next week because this move is explosive. You go to where money's at. In bull markets, bullish or bearish divergence doesn't matter, only bullish. So yes, could there be divergence here? Yes, but that doesn't matter. We're still targeting 39 on this move. Riot, similar. This is the same Fibonacci. You got your low, your high, your low. The 1-to-1 brings us to 26. We got to get past 21, and then we have another resistance right here at 23. If not, then we're going to 26 once we get past those. Again, go to where the money's going. Coin should obliterate their earnings. Everybody, BlackRock, everybody's buying, using coin as a custodian. All the ETFs, Bitcoin made a new high, and you see coin has not. So coin's just lagging it. So look at Bitcoin, see the high, low, broke out to a higher high. This is probably the most confident earnings I'm gonna play with coin. I definitely see us getting in the 200s. Call spread for this week, 190, 200 call spread, give you a 6-to-1 return if it gets all the way in the money. Coin is definitely a move. Made money off of it today. Crazy candle up in after hours. So keep your eyes on coin. Earnings is tomorrow after hours. And if there's any dip, you buy this dip until we get to the 200s. I think coin makes a new all-time high this year. Believe it or not. Yep, new all-time high. Let's say this high. I don't know if it's going to break the IPO high, but we go test 360 this year. That's my humble opinion. And everybody in Discord is going to have to pay me my flowers because I told them this last year. But we'll see. Last two, we got AMD. AMD broke out this downward trend line. Again, you got the extension, Fibonacci extension to 193. We got all type of call activity for 190s for March. This came on just slight bit of volume, but AMD should definitely see 193, 195, and possibly 213 before this party ends. And then we have Sentinel-1. This is cybersecurity space, I believe. Look at this on the monthly. This chart is beautiful. We close the weekly over this. Look at this resistance. Resistance. It was support here, but resistance. We got here, we tested, we back tested, we close over this. Go run the highs. That's my opinion. We're going to run the highs. 2 honorary missions, and then I got to get out of here. First one is Path. Again, this breakout, we got nothing till 32, bro. Like, breakout, back test. We close above 27, then 30, March 15, 30 calls should pay. I think I looked at they were buying January 25 calls for 32 today, like big size. And lastly, Tesla. Again, it's hard to keep your eyes on it. This is purely a bear flag. Like, everybody sees it. It's a bear flag. But I'm telling you, if it breaks 197, I believe we see that 300 test. And I think we see it quick. That's 51% move on the break. Do not, I repeat, do not buy Tesla until it closes over 197. It closes over 197, you have your clear stop. You can get in some April, May calls. It stops right here at 175. You might want to buy some hedges against it, but 300 as soon as it breaks. Or not as soon as it breaks, but that's my move. All right. Hopefully, y'all had a great Valentine's Day. Deuces. Peace.